And on a related note, the month of November has been dedicated to bringing attention to the growing problem of diabetes.
Yeah, it's actually, you look at the numbers, they are staggering. As the CDC says that more than 30 million people in the U.S. alone have diabetes. Roland Rodriguez is at the Corpus Christi Medical Center Bay Area Hospital this morning. And Roland, let's talk about where we go from here.
Good morning, guys, and good morning, South Texas. One way to help fight this is continue to push for more education. America's obesity epidemic is steadily increasing in both children and adults. Texas is ranked 16th as one of the most overweight states in the U.S.
The lifestyle, the going out and eating at restaurants and culture, it does predispose itself to higher diabetes here. So it's not surprising, and that's year after year we're up in the leader ranks, unfortunately, in diabetes and obesity.
Diabetes is one of the most common diseases in the United States, and the number of people with diabetes is expected to grow to 522 million by 2030.
And the complications of diabetes is what's really damaging. It's estimated about a person dies from complications from diabetes every 30 seconds.
This disease can take a toll on families and individuals, which is why Dr. Jagan Gopal with the Corpus Christi Medical Center is pushing for more education to help lower those numbers.
I think the first thing we can do is help us learn more about the disease, and so that way we can prevent and treat the disease too. Because diabetes, we're seeing more and more prevalence in the youth as well. As childhood obesity continues to climb, so does diabetes being diagnosed at an earlier age. And so if we can get ahead of this thing, we can maybe help slow down this epidemic.
There are multiple complications that go with diabetes, including heart and blood vessel disease, nerve damage, and kidney damage. If medications are not helping, surgery may be recommended.
Metabolic surgeries like the sleeve gastrectomy and primarily the gastric bypass are well known to help improve diabetes. In many cases, people can reduce their medication load, and in some instances, they can come off with all of their medications, and those people would consider them in remission of their diabetes.
Let me also add that more than 7 million people don't even realize they have diabetes.